Good evening, friend. Today's date is 22 December 2021, and today's video topic is multi-threading in Java. Before starting today's topic, let me small introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Gangadhar Amge. I am basically from Latur. I have completed my and currently staying in Pune. I have completed my graduation from Pune University in 2017. My hobbies are playing cricket, and 5 members in my family including me. So let's start today's topic, multi-threading in Java. So let's see what is mean by multi-threading. Multi-threading means simultaneously threads work at a time. Means multiple threads run at the same time is called multiple threading. The majorly in Java, in any application or gaming functioning, multi-threading is most important, mostly used in any application or gaming programming or games. These are used. What is meant by multi-threading in generally? Suppose in an application, MX Player is an application. Suppose when we create the application of MX Player, then it when we play a video in MX Player, it should be at a time all threads are run. Means sound is movies are playing, cursors are moving, and so brightness, volume, up and down. These are all threads simultaneously work as per their priority. If the advantage of multi-threading is the thread is independently work with respect to their work, and it does not require any specific it is share all memory location. Means all threads are shares shares memory locations. And multi-threading also, and it also it does not require any memory. Means when it is share on memory location, and it does not depend on any other area memory location. And threads mean there are two way to achieve multi-threading in Java. The first one is by extend thread class, and second one is extend runnable implement runnable interface. When we in general example, when we create the normal flow of the program is executed at when we call the method, or they have to execute. But at a time when we require two methods to run at the same time, that's why we have to require to multi-threading. In that case, we have to create a thread. Only our thread, our main thread is executed at that time. All other threads are executed, and end of the thread's life cycle is end when the main thread is end of their life cycle. And there are two way to creating multi-threading in Java. First one is extend thread class. Suppose two thread 1 and thread 2. In thread 1 extend thread class. Inside that thread class you have to logic, they have to implement interface runnable interface method, run method. To in that run method we have to get logic. Inside that we have to print hello in 10 times. And another thread 2, which is also extend thread class, they have to implement run method in runnable interface. Inside that method we have to also print hello in 10 times for using for loop. So in main class, when we create the object of thread 1 t1 equal to new thread 1, and when t1 dot start, when we start the call to the start, then have to call that run method. And also create a new object of the thread 2 class, then thread 2 t2 equal to new thread 2. In that case t2 dot start, when we start the method of the both thread at a time, both are working at the same time. Mean threads are working, it is depend on JVM to provide priority to which one work is first will execute. It's depend on the JVM, and the speed of the JVM is very fast. Due to this, we have to show that it is executed simultaneously, but it is not executed simultaneously. It provides some time. It is a fraction of second or fraction of millisecond. It's shown the answer. And in Java, what is the difference between multitasking, multiprocessing, and multithreading? In multitasking, number of threads are provided to execute the one work. It is called multiprocessing. In multiprocessing, number of in a single process there are number of multiple threads are available. And in multitasking, in a single task, number of multiple processes are available. These are the some little bit information about multi-threading in Java. And in next video we will see the some method which are available in multi-threading. Thank you.